you here? Seesawing. Looks scary. Where's your sense of adventure? I'll do it in my own time. Are we wild rabbits? No, we're domestic. We could be wild if we wanted to. We just don't want to. I heard something, Molly. I didn't hear it. Listen. I heard it. Let's hide. Don't move. If we don't move, nothing bad will happen. I can't keep still, Hannah Banana. It's coming to get us. Scramble! Dinosaur! Confuse him! Dinosaur!
What's that thing doing here? Run for your lives!
Phew! The treehouse! We're safe for a moment. I never want to see him again. There he is! He's trying to come up. Kick the ladder away. Yeah! We got him! Take that, you brute! Still trying to get us! Where's Ranger? Ranger! Ranger, help!
Are you afraid of the dinosaur, Ranger?
Of course not. I'm cleverly cautious.
Well, I'm scared. I'm not afraid to admit it. Less talk, more action. Just say when. Say when, Ranger. Unleash me.
You're too small, Scout. I'll take care of this.
We've got your back, Ranger. You can count on us, good buddy. Ah! We're scared, Ranger. Hurry up.
Come at me, bro.
Well, this is getting a bit abusive. What's going on?
Ranger! Ranger, wake up! Oh, you're disturbing everyone.
Forgive me. I was having a dream. It was so real. There was a dinosaur, and it chased the bunnies up to the treehouse.
And then it ate them?
No.
Tell me about it in the morning.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.